Hello everyone, Shravan here, and today we are going to play a game called Asian Geographic Country Guesser. And hello everyone, I am Shravan, and today we are going to play a game on Asian Geography. It will show the country names, and we have to guess the country on the world map. Its site is online.cithera.com. You can also play this game to test your geographic knowledge. We will just go with Asia countries, and since I am from India, maybe I will also do Indian states later on. We will see. So it shows the country name, and we have to click it on map. It's Philippines is here, so that's it, like that. Yep, 100% in 1 minute and 32 seconds. So there's this a short video. Maybe we will play all this another game some other time. India cities. Let's see. Let's play this game. Click on Hyderabad. Yep, it's my hometown. I know where it is. Patna, Bihar, Ahmedabad, Gujarat, Surat, Gujarat, Bengaluru, Karnataka, Bhopal, Madhya Pradesh, Chennai, Tamil Nadu, Kolkata is east, Mumbai Financial, Lucknow, Delhi, Jaipur, Trivandrum. Yep, 100% in 30 seconds. So that's it for today. We will try to play any geographic sort of games, and I plan to upload more content on my YouTube channel very soon. So see you later, guys. Peace. Bye bye.